नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे मार्केट हाईलाइट। सेंसेक्स सेटल्स 187 PTS हायर, निफ्टी above 25,650, TCS and HDFC बैंक टॉप मूवर। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम्स Snopis and the Sensex Today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities close higher on Friday, with the Sensex and Nifty climbing decisively as strong earning surprises from the Infosys resulted the risks appetites and the pulled heavyweight IT stock supply highs higher. Among other factors, the rally pushed the Sensex and Nifty to fresh intraday high reversing recent questions and the setting a bullish tone for the session. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. The BSE Sensex jumps as much as 752 points during the day to hit an intraday high of 84,134.97, while the NSE Nifty 50 surged 0.8% to touch 25,873.50. At the end of the session, the Sensex climbed 187 points or 0.23% to 83,570.35 at the close, while the Nifty advanced 29 points or 0.11% to end the session at 25,694.35. Sensex surged 750 points, Nifty jumps nearly 1%. Infosys lead IT rally, another factor pushing market higher today. One IT stock rally to earning momentum slips heavyweight stocks, some trade optimisms, technical hint and a fragile rebound. Q3 result today. Reliance Industry Q3 result. Financial year 2026 live. Top trades of the day. Infosys shares climb 5% on financial year 26. Guidance hike post Q3 result in more upside left. Gross share surge 4% on positive brokerage. Commentary on post Q3 results. Should you buy, sell or hold? Angel One share zooms over 7% after Q3 result. Anthurium dividend stock split announcement. Global market updates. S&P 500 future rose 0.2% as of 10:45 a.m. Tokyo time. Japan topics fell 0.3%. Australia's S&P ASX 200 rose 0.3%. Hong Kong Hang Seng rose 0.5%. The Shanghai Composite rose 0.5%. Euro Stock 50 picture fell 0.3%.